it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Guys, get my here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we are with StingDem. Yes, man, StingDem. Second one, this on the channel for StingDem. Big up yourself, G. Yes, with To The Top. It's an official music video. Love to see the young artists. I put in them work and I put out the music video them. For people can put a face to this voice and to the name. You see me? So StingDem, kudos to you, my bro. The first track was fire. Yes. Fire. I'm gonna leave that at the end of this video on the screen. You see me? So you can click on it to go check out him other catalog them. And go subscribe to him channel them. Tell him say yo me send you over there, man. Yes, man. Build up him YouTube. Help me build up him YouTube. Guys, help me to help the G them, bro. Help me to help the G them, bro. Subscribe is free. You see me? So yeah. Let's jump in there and see what the G has said, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. StingDem.
StingDem. Yeah, I'm here.
Americas, make up myself, my G.
To the top, we always free. From a tender age, me know we different, so different. To the top, we always free. Yeah. Hey. From a tender age, me know me different, so different. To the top, me always free from me bin, so yo. No, we all are pulling different stunts. I just time to make a change until a difference come. Money chipping, it brings smile too clean, but now me searching price, you're too fucking bright. Can't.
The voice, the talent, we can hear it, we can see it.
StingDem.
What you say?
Yeah, I'm here.
What you say?
Yo, Valley. To the
top, in man.
From a tender age, me know we different, so different.
From a tender age, man.
We always breathe. Yeah.
Ready? Why?
Hey. From a tender age, me know me different, so different. To the top, me always free from me bin, so yo. No, we all.
No, the man I tell us say you're from him young. I wish part him a pre. To the top. To the top. Eh? To the top. Him a aim to the moon and I miss the moon for reach the stars. At this time I aim. Oh, I'm Tony Dog. Pull up again. Pull up again. Bucklad.
Yeah,
support the young talent them boy, cause them are the next column in the dance hall. No that in the man.
From a tender age, me know we different, so different. To the top, we always breathe.
Americas, big up myself, my fam. Production team, yeah.
From a tender age, me know me different, so
yeah.
To the top, me always free from me bin, so yo. No, we all are pulling different stunts. I just time to make a change until a difference come.
No, we all that pull different stunts. I just time to make a change until different come. What?
No, we all are pulling different stunts. I just time to make a change until a difference come.
Yeah.
Money chipping, it brings smile too clean, but now me searching price you too.
Money chipping, it bring what? Smile. What on, man?
Money chipping, it brings smile too clean, but now me searching price you too.
Money chipping, it brings smile. It make him happier. Money chipping, it make him happier. Bring smile. But guess what? Clothes clean, but I don't miss a chin price. I don't knock off. I don't bumbo clock knock off. A real thing.
Pull up. Yo. Pull up.
A real thing.
Let's go.
Again.
Yeah,
again.
Yo, Valley.
Bumbo clock. Support the artist then, man. When artist bad, artist bad.
Me know we different, so
when artist bad, artist bad.
To the top, we always breathe. Yeah. Hey.
From a tender age, me know me
different, so different. To the top, me always free from me bin, so yo. No, we all are pulling different stunts. I just time to make a change until a difference come.
What?
Money chipping, it brings smile too clean, but now me searching price you too
fucking bright.
Can't trust much at all, show love to myself, show the up. Now me searching price you too fucking bright. Can't trust much at all, show love to myself, show the up. Me drill black to the one to be Nile. Yeah.
Can't do trust none at all, especially in these times. I have to trust myself. I have to show homage to who?
Money cheap in it brings smile to clean, but
then
I'm
Mr.
searching
Price, you're too fucking bright.
Can't trust much at all, show love to myself. Show the homage real black to the ones that been a help. Yeah, me been a fight champion name for my belt. All the title spell off for make me name of a well generation.
Bumbo class. Champion name on a belt. All the title spell it have to bring name to me. I have to bring well to my name. Hold on, the man. Hold on.
Trust much at all, show love to myself.
Hold on, the man.
Real black to the ones that been a help. Yeah, me been a fight champion name for my belt. All the title spell off for make me name of a well generation.
All the title spell it have to make my name of a well. So what I mean by that? When him say title, what kind of title you think him a talk about? What kind of title can possibly bring wealth to your name? No must properties, no must houses, no must apartments. A damn thing of the G pre. Big food. Big food.
Fight champion name for my belt. All the title spell off for make me name of a well generation of money. Can't slow speed ahead. Can't pray for that 10 step of them a leader meds.
Best part in that song there so far. Generation of money, generation wealth. We as black people not really pre-generation wealth. We pre the wealth for ourselves alone. Generation of wealth when all 2-3 generation down the line still have to live off of what you did do in a year time. Blood clot.
Generation of money can't slow speed ahead. Can't pray for that 10 step of them a leader meds. Can't stay in a bed. Out na the road living a 10 like me camping out on for the breakfast.
Man say me can't stay in a bed, brother. Me have to outside. Me have to out in the road a camp out. What you say? Too fucking bright.
It's can't stay in a bed. Out na the road living a 10 like me camping out on for the breakfast. No have a breaks for draw. Now I say me perfect because I know my flaws. Don't get it twisted, me never known for false. But in the past, it don't say about the out a room with frauds. Them not do a thing, yeah, them just attack. But me live it like a game because every day the notes restart. Wake up, reload, whole about refresh. Step out, clean, rebound. When me tell her from what? At tender age, me know me different now. To the top, me always pray from me bin. So yo, no we all are pulling different stunts. I just time for make a change until a difference come.
Yeah.
Money cheap in it brings smile too clean, but now me searching price.
You're too fucking bright.
We no run down designs, my fashion. Please do not upset my brain, can't strong believe them.
We don't run down the hype, brother. The fashion, no, we don't run that down, brother. Vanity, no, we not run that down in a dog. When we say we run down, generation of wealth.
We no run down designs, my fashion. Please do not upset my brain, can't strong believe them can't set the must not catch the pattern. For the feed, me set the pattern. Sharing the meal and the ration. No, me no do it for no fame and the passion. Paper change and nothing me ways, me stay the same. Yeah. Me reach pan a stage, fans a cheer me name. Hands a create a wave. No.
That's the boss himself, and the pan a stage and fans a cheer him name. Fans done love him music already. Him done build up him fan base. And that's why him a pray. Yeah, that him a pray. Artist!
Yeah. Reach on a stage, fans a cheer me name. Hands a create a wave. No. Me can't fall off track. No. Set a new record straight, build some waist pan that. No. Now no time I listen when some waist man chat. And girl can't straight me miss no time no waist pan that.
Oh not chat to. Oh not chat to. Me not listen to no now waist man. Me not listen when some waist boy and some waist girl a chat. I can't stray my meds. Food for meds! Food for meds!
No time I listen when some waste man chat. And girl can't stray me meds, no time no waste pan that. Cause girl can steal all your hopes and dreams. And certain things enough is speak, just only one go and chill.
Yeah, them can steal your hopes and dreams for true. Them girl out the road, them will steal your hopes and dreams for true. Listen to me, focus.
No time I listen when some waste man chat. And girl can't stray me meds, no time no waste pan that. Cause girl can steal all your hopes and dreams. And certain things enough is speak, just only one go and chill.
Yeah man, them say I know everything good to eat, good to talk. Yes. Sometimes, most times, 90% of the time, 99% of the time, anything we have planned, keep it to yourself until you see it forward through, then you can show your right hand. But sometimes you have to make your left hand know a bar.
More or less talk, stacking up these bands, different meds pre-plan. And when me tell her from what, at tender age me know me different now. to the top, me always free from me being so young.
Yeah.
No way all up pulling different stunts. I just time to make a change until a difference come.
Boy.
Money cheap in it brings smile too clean. You're too fucking bright.
To the top. Yes, man. Out by say a pre man. One StingDem, man. One StingDem, but on the Isaiah like this. You know what thing go? Where we are pre? Up there, so, up there, so, up there, so. Yes, man. StingDem, big up yourself. Americans, big up yourself. World production team, you know, wanna big up on yourself. Yes. What more can I do? People, if the artist bad, I'm gonna drop in the comment section. Just type bad. Just type bad in the comment section if the artist bad, bro. You see me? And a shop talk, dog. Big up the artist. Big up yourself, StingDem. You see me? Yeah, bro. We see the potential, dog. You're bad. You see me? Your voice melodic. You see me? Yes, dog. The clarity. We can hear everything what y'all say. You flow up on the beat, bro. Yes, my G. Big up yourself, bro. You have it, bro. You have it, bro. And with time, I just time before you kick in the door them and just bust off all let them off of them grill up gate with them have, bro. You see me? But yeah, big up yourself, my G. Big up the production team. Americans. Big up yourself. You see me? Yes. And I'll catch you guys in the next one for real. Yes. Hold on. There was someone else to big up. There was someone else to big up. Street Cinema. Big up yourself. Yes. How can I forget? Street Cinema. Big up yourself, my G. Alright. What the other man was? My chin.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.